Incoming device, the LG V40 ThinQ. Rear camera lens does not appear to be cracked. The fingerprint sensor does not appear to have any deep scratches or cracks on it. Taking off the back glass, it does not appear to have any cracks on it. Power button, volume buttons, and the secondary button all give smooth feedback. Check the rear camera.
Yeah, everything works just fine.
Check the front camera. Front camera's clear. Just passed the 6-point digitizer test. Devices with, not sure the carrier on this one, but it is
AT&T.
AT&T, 4 bars, and then it's at 85%, as well as it's taking incoming charge for 1.30 amperes. We'll reconfirm the part cost and see how much it'll be for the